If you want to feel better but don't want to cook forever, this roasted broccoli is the easiest place to start. It takes just 5 minutes to prep, and roasting brings out a rich flavor and slightly crispy texture that makes it hard to stop eating. To cut broccoli with less waste, slice through the stem rather than the top, then break it apart using your hands. This keeps the shape and avoids a crumbly mess. Within the recipe post is the full list of ingredients and instructions, but the secret to knowing just the right amount of oil is when the broccoli looks glossy rather than greasy. For delicious flavor, all broccoli needs in addition to the oil is just a few simple seasonings. However, there are all kinds of tasty variations, like smoky and bold to sweet and tangy options, that I share within the recipe post. Once all the ingredients are added, toss well and spread in a single layer directly on a baking sheet. Place on the top rack closest to the heating element. Roast to your desired doneness. Bright green means crisp and just cooked. Darker green means becoming more tender, and browned edges indicates deeper caramelization. For more recipes like this and for weekly inspiration, make sure to head on over to thefedupfoodie.com and sign up for my newsletter where I share recipes and tips in helping to make cooking from scratch approachable.